How to search for groups on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Roblox application. Then go to the More section after the application loads. After that, there is a separate section that is dedicated for groups. That is this communities section. Simply tap on the communities, and from here you will be able to find different communities by searching for it. Simply search for any community names, or you can also create a community of your own. Simply go to create community and then you can add people and then be the admin of that community or group. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.